don't think anyone's around. I'm so nervous. Okay, the coast is clear. Look at it. It's so beautiful. I think I'm in love.
Daddy?
Oh no, I need to hide this. Okay, that might have been a bad idea. Yes, darling?
I'm hungry.
Why don't you have a cookie? In fact, take the whole box.
Wow! This is my lucky day! Thanks, Dad!
Okay, bye, honey. Oh, I need to get this popsicle out. Well, that's just great. Oh, let's see how bad this is. Oh, I guess I'm doing some laundry.
The enemy is close! Aha! I need a clear shot! Fire! A direct hit! Show no mercy! Ooh! Yes! Who's next? I see you!
Ow! What was that?
Time to hide!
Oh well. It's probably nothing.
That was close. Where's my next target? Oh, what's that? I think I could hit that. Fire! Uh-oh! Is it safe?
Uh-oh.
What are you doing?
Hi, Mommy. It was an accident.
Come on.
Sorry, Mom.
It's okay. Here's your snacks.
Ooh, yummy.
Don't forget this.
Ugh.
But Tio, it's good. Wait. I have an idea. I could use this to protect the outlet. I'll be right back. I'll place the cap into the outlet, then twist it off. Tio can't knock out the power. I might try this too. That's good. This is delicious.
Wait, did you do that to the outlet? Looks like it's safe to play again. See you, Mom.
This is so tasty.
What an interesting article.
Daddy, I finished my drawing!
That's wonderful, honey. Great job.
Thanks, Dad!
All this reading is, making me sleepy. I might just rest my eyes for a second.
This bear is so cute. Okay, that's finished. What's next? Where's my paper? I must have some left. I know I've got some. I think. This is a disaster! I need something to draw on! I have an idea. I mean, it is paper. Let's go! I'll surprise Daddy, but I can't wake him up. This is gonna be so pretty. I think this is my best work yet. Look at all the pretty colors! I've run out of space. I know! I'll draw Daddy! But I can't use these pens. This'll do! Daddy is gonna be a piece of art. Oh, he looks so pretty! I need to find something else to draw on. Oh, this is perfect! Wow! This is amazing! I'm nearly finished!
I'm awake. I must have dozed off. I don't remember my newspaper looking like this. What happened in here? Honey! No! What's she doing? Wait. What's this? A drawing robot? Wow! Technology is amazing! Look what I got you! It's your new drawing buddy. Just put the pen between its little robot arms. And tighten it up. We just need to scan this little card. Then press this button. Look at that! It's drawing a strawberry! It's amazing! It's pretty impressive.
Whoa! Can I color in the drawings? I love it, Daddy!
That's great, sweetie. I don't remember looking like that. Ugh!
Time for a little light reading. Everything's blurry. Where are my glasses? Silly me. I'm not wearing them. There they are. Huh? What's this? Why are all these pen caps in my glasses case?
Ooh, I was looking for that. Thanks, Mom.
That boy's always up to no good. Okay, it's time to go. I'll just put my shoes on. There's something in there. Oh, not again. More pen caps. Oh, that shade looks cute. More pen caps? I'm finding these things everywhere. How does this keep happening?
I need some more colors. This is just what I need!
At least he's happy. I need to do something about this. And I think I know what. I just need this tape. I'll take a length of tape, then I'll place the pens onto the tape. I'll make sure the caps are stuck down. Now I'll fold the rest of the tape over the caps. The pens are all stuck together. You'll never lose the caps now. Have fun drawing, Tio. Oh, that's very good.
And I'll put the pen back.
And the cap is still there. I should have thought of this earlier. You look ridiculous, Brian.
Don't be mean, Tio.
I guess you should open your gifts. Here you go, Tio. I wonder what it is. Huh? Well, that's disappointing. Thank you.
My turn!
I hope it's better than Brian's. A book? This is the worst birthday ever! Mommy!
What's wrong, honey?
My birthday is ruined! I got the worst gifts!
It's okay. Don't get upset. You've still to open this one. I think you'll like it.
Ooh, another gift? Thanks, Mom! It's got a bow! Fancy! This is so exciting!
You're making quite a mess. Seriously, someone has to clean this up.
Whoa! Look at this! I'm gonna try it out. It's time to get to work. It's gooey. Okay, concentrate. I'll take off the top. Look at all those balls! Now I'll put it in the machine. And I'll use the pump. Whoa! It's working! I need to put something in the balloon. Oh, this'll do. Quack, quack. In you go, little guy. These can go in too. What's next? Ooh, glitter! This'll make it sparkle. This is looking great! It's gotta have some slime. I can fit so much in here. This is so much fun! This is thirsty work. But my soda is going into the balloon. This'll add some bubbles. Is that everything? Oh, I know! Mom's jewelry! It'll be like hidden treasure. They have to go in. I'll put the top on. My balloon is finished. Look at it. It's amazing. And it's so soft and squishy. This is the best birthday gift!
Wow! Did you make that, Tio? I knew you'd like the gift. Wait. It can't be! Oh, it is! Home at last.
I'm gonna play! What a day, Mommy! It was great!
You're so dirty. We need to do something about that. Bath time!
No! I hate bats! You'll never catch me!
Tio! Look what you've done! Great. More mess to clean up. Wait a minute. I have an idea. I know how to get Tio nice and clean. Start by placing baking soda in a bowl. Add a small drop of food coloring. That should be enough. Now I'll add some olive oil. That's it. I just need to mix it. This is looking good. I'll spoon it into this plastic ball mold. I'm only going to fill it halfway. I want to make it multicolored. All I've done is use different food coloring. Now I'll pack it down. And I'll just join them together. I'll carefully tip it out. A homemade bath bomb! Come on, Tio. Stop struggling. Okay, I have a surprise. What do you think?
Huh? Whoa!
But there's more. Watch!
Ooh! It's so busy! Wow!
That's it.
Can every bath be like this? Mr. Duck likes it.
Good boy.
Look, Mommy! It's getting smaller!
This is fun, isn't it, dollies?
Come on, time for school. You need to get dressed. We're running late, so hurry.
Okay, Daddy.
Hello? It's good to hear from you.
You can count on me, Daddy! I just need to put on my sneakers. This is tricky. I can do this. It can't be that hard. I know. That's right. I think. That's better. I'm ready, Daddy!
Great. And you did it all yourself. Let me have a look at you. Great job, kiddo. That's not good. Your sneakers are on the wrong feet. You can't go to school like that.
Oops! It was a mistake!
I think I know how to fix this. I'll place the sneakers on this piece of cardboard. I'll make sure they're the right way and then draw around them. I'll use blue for the left sneaker and red for the right sneaker. It's given us a template for the sneakers. I'll put some tape around the edges. This'll be so useful. Okay, put the sneakers in the right spot.
It's like a game! That's right, isn't it? Here goes! They're on the right feet! Look, Daddy, I did it!
You sure did, champ. Okay, time to go. Come on.
Being a parent can be tough. But armed with these clever hacks, life can be so much easier. What was your favorite hack? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.